Hello, I'm Kevin, Service Technician at StraightUp Solar. I want to show you how to power cycle your SMA inverter. So once you've located your inverter, you'll need to locate the DC disconnect switch. Sometimes on the side and other times it's underneath. Once located, you'll turn that to the left to begin powering down the system. At that point, you'll need to find your AC breaker box, find the correct breaker for your inverter and switch it off. You need to wait 10 minutes to ensure that the system completely powers down and resets. So 10 minutes later, you can turn the AC breaker back on. Return to your inverter and turn the DC disconnect back to on. It could take up to 15 minutes before your inverter starts producing again. A solid green light indicates that the inverter is producing. A flashing blue light indicates it's communicating. A red or yellow light indicates that a fault is present. The solid green light is what we are looking for, or a slowly pulsing green light.